Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on Pinterest, we click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you can click Pinterest and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. See you next time.